Welcome to Izoate, your ultimate destination for learning and mastering a wide range of topics. At Izoate, we are passionate about simplifying complex subjects and providing step by step guides to help you navigate through various areas of interest. Whether you are a tech enthusiast looking to explore the latest trends, a budding entrepreneur eager to earn money online, or someone seeking solutions to everyday challenges, we have got you covered. Join our community of learners as we dive into the world of technology, productivity, and earning money. Discover expert insight, user friendly tutorial, and valuable tips designed to empower you and your learning journey. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's learn and grow together at Izoate.